Hi guys, this is a kind of a review on a new compressor I just bought. And it's a Apache 3600, I think it is. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Like you can hear, it's not very loud whatsoever. It has a tank and comes with a regulator. It's set at 20 psi and it stays on steady at 20 psi. When I shoot my airbrush, see, it doesn't drop hardly at all. It's a steady airflow, which I need. And which you guys know that if you're doing anything of that caliber, that you want a steady airflow. But anyways, yeah, it cost me like 300 bucks, but I tell you, it is worth it. I thought I'd just do a review on it. Like I said, it's very quiet. It's got an air valve on the side to let the air out. There's a water drain on the bottom of it. It's got 4 legs on it. As you can see, it doesn't even move. And also, I bought these things. And there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 for punching out your plastic. Now you can make pulleys and brake drums. Your imagination just can go wild with it. And I got it from Princess Auto here in Canada, but you probably could get it at Harbor Freight. I think I paid 21 bucks for it, which is not too bad. But anyways, that's just my review on this compressor. I give it a 10 out of 10, easy. No questions asked. I love it. Anyways, and here's my spray booth. I don't know if you've ever seen it before. Like a lot of people, they want to build one. As you can see in the back, it's a pretty big freaking blower motor. And I tell you, it sucks everything out. There's no smell in this room whatsoever. And I sleep in this room, so. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. And please comment